Outstanding design defines the 2013 Honda Pilot. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 5-speed automatic transmission, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Top features include power front seats, delay-off headlights, a tachometer, a power liftgate, remote keyless entry, and a split-folding rear seat. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Honda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Come on in and take a test drive.